What would you have done differently to get to where you are a lot faster?
I would say I would have started outsourcing more of my business sooner. Even though we were designing for clients, and I never designed a site, I always had a friend or somebody who would design the work, but I was still very involved in the day-to-day. And it took me until 2004 to realize that I was the reason things were slow. So I hired somebody to answer the phones and do customer service. And that year was probably the first vacation I really took and enjoyed myself in the business. Because before then, I'd be on vacation and I remember we were in Puerto Rico once and I'm on a payphone, calling back in the office, hey, is everything okay? What's going, And so until I hired someone to handle the customer service, I go on vacation now. I'm not even checking email. I don't want to know. So I would say that would probably be one of the first things that I would do. The other thing is finding people that are already doing it. But again, when I started, that wasn't available. Right? We didn't have people who were building websites and bringing in 1 million uniques a month on those websites. So I wouldn't have been able to do that. But today, if I had to start over today, the very first thing I would do is decide, what am I going to sell? Who am I going to sell it to? And then I would go out and find somebody who's already doing it and say, let me pay you, shortcut the process for me. Show me what I need to do. That would be the absolute first thing I would do. Because the other option is don't pay that person who's already doing it and figuring it out on my own, which may take 6 months to a year of trial and error. And I don't want to go through that. Yeah, and I don't want to go through that.